Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to Conundrum Corner, where we actually talk about everything. So I'm guessing you can even guess my topic for today. Since we are in the pink month, this month is all about breast cancer, and now the main thing we are talking about. As a child, I know I really love breast because I still do. I still love breast. Breast is very good as a child and as an adult. Yes, if I say as an adult, you understand if you are like breast is good in general. Yes, that's to understand. Breast is very good. So this month is the month for breast, but to me, I don't think it should just be 1 month. October, no. October is my favorite month. It's not my birthday, it's not. But it's the breast month, my favorite month. Yes. So I think October shouldn't just be the month for breast. It should be the whole year. Like every month is about breast because this is cancer, and cancer kills a lot of people. Actually, yes, a lot of people. Imagine your wife, your sister, or your girlfriend suffering from breast cancer, and maybe it's a lot. It's a lot. So breast cancer in general is a very bad thing, and cancer in general is a very bad thing. But this month is the pink month, and Anka, we talk about everything. So we have a video on our YouTube that teaches you how to examine yourself. If you can't do it yourself, let your boyfriend do it. And if you can't do it yourself, maybe I can come and do it for you. Yes. So this month is all about breast cancer. So check yourself. There are places that they are checking for breast cancer free. Go and examine yourself because cancer is a very hard thing. It's a very dangerous thing that takes life, like a lot of life. It has taken a lot of life, loved ones, even enemies. Even if your enemy gets breast cancer, you won't like it. And breast itself, personally, I really love breast. So anything that has to do with breast, I'm rooting for it. And anything that destroys breast, no, I'm going for it. I'm going to work for that. So anything that destroys breast, I'm against it. That's why I've taken my time to do this video to talk about the awareness month. And this is not the first month for that, and this is not the first time this has been done. It has been done every year. We talk about it, but people still suffer from breast cancer. The education is everywhere, but people don't really take it serious, maybe because you don't know anybody that it has happened to or it hasn't happened to you. But breast cancer is very serious, it's very dangerous, and it's real. So please, ladies out there, make sure you take care of your breast because breast is very good. It's very good. The last time my friend said breast is supposed to be in the first aid box because I didn't say that. Yes, breast is supposed to be in the first aid box. The best thing created is breast. You can argue with your friend, yes, breast is better than. So take care of yourself and take care of your breast. And go to our YouTube. Under this video, you see the link to our previous video, which teaches you how to examine your breast, self check, or maybe you can make your boyfriend do it for you. Please don't make your brother do it for you. So you can make your boyfriend or your best friend, anybody who can help you examine it, and you can do it yourself. So there's a step-by-step video on how to do it. So please try to examine yourself and take actions now before it comes to you. So we are all against breast cancer. And this is Conundrum Corner, and today we are against breast cancer. So please do share towards the video and let's fight against breast cancer. Thank you. Till we meet again and have a surprise video for you. Yeah, there's a video coming with a very big surprise video. So please examine yourself and let's take care of ourselves, our sisters, our mothers, and our aunties, girlfriends, and all that. Yes, let's fight against breast cancer. This is Conundrum Corner, and my name is Brian Joyland. Yes, that's my name. So we meet again. Bye.